Culturally, socially, and politically, there is nothing that associates the Agbor man with the Igbo man. Go and trace it historically. So
wait, did he just say Agbor people are not Igbo? But at the same time, distinguished Senators Ned Nwoko and Senator Orji Uzor Kalu are strongly pushing for the creation of Anioma State for Igbo people in Delta State. So the big question is, are Anioma people really Igbo or not?
Of course, Anioma State should be created. The 6th Southeast state is the only state that will be able to be created in the Southeast. Anioma are Igbos, and they never said they are not Igbos. The 6th Southeastern state should be created, and they had to go to Anioma with some other states in Onitsha and everywhere to become a state.
Delta rivers?
Yes. Not rivers, but Delta mostly.
There's some rivers, there are some Igbos who identify as Igbos also in
no, you cannot just go to jump somewhere, go to the other place. You first do this side, and possibly.
So there should be an Anioma State.
There should be an Anioma State. So to be forthright, there should be an Anioma State.
Is that part of what you discussed with President Tinubu?
No, but there shall be an Anioma State.
Senator Orji Uzor Kalu believes the solution is simple. Create Anioma State for the Igbo-speaking people in Delta State. According to him, Anioma people share language, culture, and history with the Igbo people. But not everyone agrees to that. In this video, a man from Agbor strongly rejects that claim. He insists that Agbor people are not Igbo. And this statement has sparked intense debate.
Yeah, my name is Mr. Felix. I want to welcome your guests in the studio, and I want to thank them for the movement, what they are doing. It is not a bad thing to agitate for a state. Anioma State predates even my death. I am over 50 years old. I know that before my birth, people have been clamoring for Anioma, which is in the old, the creation of faith. We started from the Midwest. From the Midwest, we now had Bendel. From Bendel, we had Delta. To trace it. When we had Midwest, we still had the Southeast as a region. But Midwest was created for this specific special people. We must have that at the back of our mind. And while we were in Bendel State, we started agitating for Anioma, those speaking a particular kind of language. Belushi, you are from Ezechime.
Yes.
Tracing the Ezechime dynasty, do you trace it back to Igboland, or you trace it from the Benin side? Let me tell you something. I need you to answer that question later. Now, you cannot tell somebody where he is from. It is very, very wrong for me. You are from Isenuku. I cannot come and tell you, Belushi, you are from Sapele, or you are from Yoruba. When you yourself, you know you are from Isenuku. There's no better person to tell you where he is from than the person himself that is involved. I can't give up. And we have said culturally, socially, and politically, there is nothing that associates the Agbor man with the Igbo man. Go and trace it historically. So you're not going to come and tell me my history. I will tell you my history. However you want to look at it, we don't have anything about the creation of Anioma State. We support it 100%. I, as a person, and a lot of us who are in that school of thought. But aligning us to the Igbos is one thing. Even without language, linkage in language, or something that we use tools, you cannot tell us that. You tell us where they are coming from. It should be we that will tell us where we come from, not you from outside telling you where I'm coming from. It's like somebody coming to tell you who is your father. He said this is not your father. You are telling him this is my father. He said no, this is not my father. This is my father. Okay. That is very, very wrong.
Okay, just hold on. My brother has a question for you.
Yes, let him ask you.
My brother Felix, thank you so much for raising this point. Truly, the best person to learn history from is the indigenes of that place. They will be in the best position to tell you who they are. And I want to commend you for bringing out this line of argument. So I want to ask you, you are in the same state with others in Delta State. Do you have any political or historical alignment with the Isoko people?
Yes. The Isoko, if you look at the Isoko, even Yoruba, the Isoko.
Okay, so let's leave it at that. No need of explaining. You have answered me. It's a yes question. Do you have any alignment again with the people of Efik who are in the same South region with you? I'm waiting.
The Efik?
Yes. and the Ibibios.
You are going too far.
I'm not going too far. You are in South with them. So do you have any political or historical alignment with them?
Talking about state, you're talking about state creation. You're saying that we are Igbos. Don't say we are Igbos. That is the point I'm trying to make to you. Don't tell me I'm an Igbo. This statement right there with you that we are Igbos.
Okay, sir.
Me to them.
Where are you from, sir? Where are you from?
Tell him to.
Tell me where you are from again now. Why are you this vex? We are not fighting now. We are not fighting. What is your full name?
I am an Agbor man.
What's your name, sir?
My name is Orji Uzor Kalu.
Igboland.
Why are you deceiving yourself?
Igboland.
What is the meaning of Igboland?
What is the meaning of Igboland in Benin?
I don't know. I have the Benin name. My Benin name is Oseye.
Osenyem.
Yeah.
Mr. Igboland, do you agree that Igboland is an Igbo name?
No, sir. It's an Igbo name.
Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. I believe we understand ourselves now. Thank you.
It's an Igbo name, not an Igbo name.
Okay, thank you very much. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Identity crisis is a global issue. It's not something that is simple that we should maybe make jokes of. There are people in China who don't know where they are from.
Okay, let's take this call. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Your name and your location, sir. You're welcome, Ogamdoka.
Thank you very much. Yes. I want to contribute to the discussion on ground.
Okay.
That man, what that is the dialect, the Igbo language. The dialect. The language is the dialect, the Igbo language.
Bless you. Thank you very much, sir.
We come to you. In chat, with that.
Yes.
Igbo is the language. What is that dialect?
Yeah.
That is very angry. You very happy. The Igbo language. Are you there?
Yes.
So that is the time of is that the better. You are command the guy is
Yes.
That me, what the man is the dialect of Igboland.
Okay, I'm Jim. Better no cook anything. Better. Okay.
We all one. Man, I know what I belong to.
Thank you.
What's been myself now?
Hi, Jason.
Let's try to go on later. And
Yes.
it's happened that in school to very bad.
Interestingly, my brother.
Hello.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, good morning. You're welcome. Your name and your location.
My name is Chinedu Okwani. I'm from Igboland.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you very much, my brother. There is Igboland. Good morning. I bring everybody here.
I salute you, my brother.
All of us are one. What the type of historical, for the Babrika, history. I need to tell you this. Not make other than anybody where the world started spreading. But somebody that tells me that's not from Igbo and from Agbor. I was making a mistake. And you call your name or some name. I thought you wanted to get down like that. I want to make you. Go and ask your father, where am I from? How can you say my name is here? I'm from Igboland, you're saying I'm not from Igbo. If I would be in that conference, there are going to be a lot of vacation and correction and argument. You are telling me I'm from Agbor, I'm not an Igbo, I'm not an Igbo. Please, if you can explain the country where you're coming from, the one where do you belong to? Do you belong to Hausa or Yoruba? Let me come from Igboland. Please let us be one. Are you getting it? We are not two. Let us join our hands together against, because they are the fighting against them a lot of time. We don't want to be PDP who is trying to become PDP and fighting against them. Today there are no more. Please, for crying out aloud, start at your father, your mother, where am I from? This my name, what does it mean? Is it Igbo or Yoruba?
yeah,
hello, good morning. I greet you benevolently.
Thank you, sir. You're welcome.
You're welcome, man. Go ahead.
Thank you very much. You know, there's one man who couldn't get out of the all of us are here in local jam inside one community. Community. And the guy was telling me that he's not Igbo. I said, this was the case. He said, you know what? You're fine. Well, Igbo people and the Afghan people and the people get over there. They are not kids. People is that they are not people. They confuse where the people put for our heads. Our brother said, look at that one. People want to become their president. They want to become their president. And then I did it. They are not brother. I'm not the man something for. Show me that this is the know that.
Okay. 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 Thank you, sir. God bless you. Hello, good morning.
Hello,
Your name and location, sir. You're welcome. Yeah, go ahead, Ikechukwu.
Yes. About what somebody from a back on his case, you see, when they speak, somebody can say that they speak what they are saying.
Yes.
They could them as food. And you have some Agbor. They are trying to speak. You can pick one of the things you are saying. You see what people might say, I thought it's slogan. Self-release, and man, whether we're in Delta State, in a River State, in a Bible State, in Kogi State, everybody, there's no state for we have direct listen. The people in front of me, they have the best, it's the English language and dialect. They speak English, they don't speak dialect. Doesn't mean that you will come out and say that you're not an Englishman. So the people should wait for and accept to release. The people impose the Delta State. My foreign brothers to the state department that they are eating. They cannot deny who they are. The fish could not be that is all it is. The fish is a fish, no matter how it is.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you. Wait, we'll respond. We still got like 10 minutes. Hello? Your name and your location, please.
Okay, my name is Peter from Google.
The road?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
I'm not going to let ourselves to prepare ourselves for this time without imagination. Yeah. Like you guys, like that, not it's only you and I will tell ourselves the truth around that time. So we are pure evil.
Okay, thank you, Piru. God bless you, Piru. Hello. I greet you benevolently. Your name and your location, sir.
Yeah. Like I am. I'm being quick down. And they went today. Come on, let's sing ourselves. They leave their friends always. Identity guys. You go out together. People ain't talking now. Me with people man from me thing. And I told them. I said, nobody explained to me. Hey, tell me how to Igbo. Why you need you like that?
I didn't want to say that.
They want.
Somebody need to come and see them also talking. I just tell you, you want to invest in Igbo. See, Which explanation will really come with your Igbos? So that Igbo man, I'm not an Igbo. It is not for me. I got my love from Agbor. I know that to me. You know what? You want to be see. It's not a gentleman. To protect when the why I tell people you don't only you when you go from like God, you can anybody friend. You have to choose the Igbo. You might like it or not, you want to bring the ticket.
Again.
But I think that's a beautiful cause for bringing.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Marrakesh Sugar. Thank you. Okay, we'll take the last call now. Hello, good morning.
But what do you want, man?
I greet you benevolently. Your name and location.
Before I go, I'm a boy.
Okay.
Before I go, I'll tell you.
I'll say my family, no.
Okay.
Before I go, commend those two men today. They are doing the very great and people that do it. I'm a command. Then we Igbo unite and after that one, they have to go people. And if you come to politics, you realize what's happening up to it. And that's why you think in that case, the president of this country. I'm going to tell you, Mr. Belushi.
Yes.
I was in the chairman of Delta State. I'm back thinking I was in South today. So I went to visit him. Then a young man came from state from Texas, he came from Kwale. So we were talking there with the man and the children outside the picture. There was because the come this very much, this very much of people talking there in the city. So one man from Kwale came to Kwale. He said he's a Igbo. He said a normal nation, when is the normal nation the president? Is it not a fund not to make up a normal? He said no, it's not an Igbo people, it's not an Igbo people. Fund is not an Igbo people. I said well. This is what making a very stupid. It means that the party that has the Senate of moving party in there at Abuja. That means that they are in now and the man don't know what it is.
It's true.
It's even like that state now is going to forget and talk about the kind of is that you don't know? I said well.
Okay. Can I say thank you? Okay, thank you. God bless you too. Okay, I think that's the last call we will take, so I will figure a chance, wrap up and respond to everything. My dear colleagues, I'm in the studio with Azoka Oka from Igboland, Edo State. A proud Igbo man. Enu man and Igbo. Enu Igbo too man. Enu Highlands. And of course, Omodi Ngozi Fortune, the publisher of Enu Cultural Forum from Uburuku, Delta State. And of course, my brother from Ugume, Osai Magnus Onyekachukwu, aka Spirit Almighty.
Mama.
Okay, let's respond. Where do we start? Okay, let's start from Spirit Almighty. How do you respond to all we have discussed?
The conversation went well. I'm saying thank you to our callers. Their vibes are all positive, except our brother who is suffering from identity crisis. Just like we said, so many of them are suffering from identity crisis. Igbo bofu, my people. Igbo bofu.
Thank you very much, Spirit Almighty. Mr. Osai Magnus Onyekachukwu, the Ugume man. Get what I hear about Ugume. That make people spirit joyous. Because why would they begin that time? Then they call Ugume. When boys they answer boy, as the guy pound me for chest, now enter Ugume come out.
Ugume means?
I said, oh yeah, jazz.
Ugume means Ogume.
Yeah, Ogume.
Yes, Ogume. A powerful name. So, like us, they will say Ogume, Ugume. They can take my elbow.
Okay, thank you very much. And to my brother, all the way from Igboland, Mr. Azuka.
I greet everybody. Well, our callers, you were done very marvelous. Well, my brother from Agbor and Edbanki is very close. We are Igbo. We should not deceive ourselves, because deceiving ourselves, what can we give to our children? Even the Bini or the joy we want to claim, you don't even know what they call fish. Because if there's a time to discuss here, you don't even know what Bini people call fish, unless you married to a Bini woman. Don't deceive yourself. We are Igbo. Thank you, and God bless everyone.
Thank you very much, my brother Azuka. And then to Mr. Comrade Orji Uzor, what will be your passing thought this morning?
Thank you so much. I want to begin by telling our brother Oseyim Ogwebunem from Agbor that I served as a special assistant to His Excellency Senator Dr. Ifeanyi Atoko. I was a special assistant to him on community liaison. And all through our time in office, he identified as an Igbo man. He still identifies as an Igbo man because he has said so on national television. When he campaigned to contest as the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in the last general election, the Anioma-Igbo, the youth wing of it, came to Asaba, the cenotaph. I was there live to declare solidarity with him. And interestingly again, the President General of Anioma-Igbo Women Wing is a Delta woman from Ogwashuku, Rita Daniels.
Okay,
and also, I say the President General, not the Delta State President of Anioma-Igbo, is from Ogwashuku. And then Anioma-Igbo has also had a president from Ogwashuku in the Oguluzami of Ogwashuku, late Ambassador Raf Chukwu Uwechwe. Now, we have had antecedents. The greatest demarketing against the Igbo people is that they want to come and collect our oil. They are coming after our oil. Well, let me shock you. Imo State has the largest reserve of gas in the whole of Africa. I'm not saying Nigeria or West Africa, in the whole of Africa. You can fact check that. So, these southeastern states are loaded with natural resources. From Ebonyi State, where you have salt, to down to Abia State, where you have crude oil. To your neighbors here, Anambra State, they are loaded with natural resources. None of them. Coal City, in Enugu, you have coal. There's nothing called natural resources that is absent in the whole of the southeast. So don't think they are coming after your oil. They are coming after our oil. Nobody is coming to relocate Asaba or Ubuluku. And also, we are a people that have different unique migration histories. Places like Ubuluku are very ancient. And as ancient as we are, we still regard Obolono as our ancestral home. So we have also had history of fighting different kinds of wars, even against colonial masters. And at no point did the king of Ubuluku come out to say, I am now the king of the whole Enuani, or the king of the whole region. He still maintained himself as the king of Ubuluku in his full glory. So nobody speaks for us to say we are not Igbos. Everybody speaks for themselves. If anyone has identity issues or crisis, let the person live with it and go with it. I am not in doubt of who I am.
Yes.
My name is Onwode Ngozi Chukwuka Fortune, and it's an Igbo name.
Okay, thank you very much.
This debate has been gaining serious attention across Nigeria, and many people have very strong opinions about it. Some believe the creation of Anioma State will finally give the Igbo-speaking people in Delta State the recognition and representation they deserved, having been called Western Igbos, Midwestern Igbos, Bendel Igbos, and now Delta Igbos. They will gladly accept being called the Igbo people of Anioma State. Others, however, completely reject the idea that Anioma people are Igbo at all. For decades, the identity of Anioma people has been a topic of discussion. Many people argue that the language, culture, and historical ties clearly connect them to the Igbo ethnic group. But others insist that Anioma people have their own distinct identity and history that should not simply be grouped under the Igbo identity. And this is where the controversy becomes even more interesting. If Anioma State is eventually created, who exactly is it meant to represent? Is it truly a state for Igbo people in Delta State? Or is it something entirely different? Before you share your thoughts in the comment section, I would like you to take a time to think and reflect. Also research on the language, culture, and lifestyle of the Anioma people and find out, is there any difference between the identity of Anioma people and that of the Igbo people? I will see you in the comment section. Bye.